Is this thing on? Y'all, filming for YouTube is nerve-wracking. It really is. My phone act like it don't want to work. Yeah. Somebody's watching this video. I think I might have to just record something and just post it so that it is posted for December 1. But I really want it to be a vlog. And I'm out here with nubs. I don't have any nails on. Struggle. Alright. Okay. Bye. So, welcome to Vlogmas Day 1, where Shann's phone breaks. Oh my gosh. So, they said to do a hard reset, so I go up, down, and then I'm supposed to try to cut it off. The Apple logo is supposed to go away. Okay. Let's see if it'll do it. It's not even doing it this time. Long story short, it'll go away, but it'll just come back. So they're trying to update my phone. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we will see, and I will check back later. Likely they're gonna have to restore it and wipe the whole phone clean, and I will probably lose all my data. So that's the kind of day that I'm having. So we look like we're getting somewhere because that bar is moving. So maybe, just maybe, this will work. Fingers crossed. It says it's updating. Okay, that's a good sign. It says it's been updated. And it says do not cut it off. Look at it! Look! It's cutting on!
I'm glad it came on because I'm like, I didn't have another phone back there.
Hello friends, if this is our first time meeting, I am so happy to meet you. And if you have tuned into my channel before, welcome back. Today I am actually just going to be talking about Vlogmas. Today is December 1st, so that marks the tradition of YouTubers doing what's called Vlogmas. Some YouTubers call it Vlogcember, depending on if you celebrate the Christmas holiday or not. So I'm going to get the official definition, and this definition that I'm getting is actually from dictionary.com. You might not be able to see, but I'll try to put it on the screen. But it says Vlogmas, the meaning is a noun. Vlogmas is a tradition among YouTubers to vlog or video blog every day in December until Christmas, which is December 25th. The 2010, a vlogger by the name of Nadine in 2010, but I don't know. That's irrelevant. I'm gonna tell you why I'm doing it. So I have been wanting to post consistently on YouTube for quite some time now, but it's like I can't get a rhythm, I can't get a reason, I can't get a rhyme. So this way you can have practice for posting, and then I believe it can help you develop your editing style. Now, a lot of people do not like sit down talking videos, but then a lot of people do not like, hi guys, I'm going to Target vlog type of videos. So I'm gonna do a mix of them, and we'll see what happens from there. I think what got me off track is because I kept trying to focus on how long should the video be, what should the video be about, should it have this content, that content, and I couldn't, the intro, the outro, like I was worried about too much of the technical side of it. So I'm just gonna try to get some footage, edit as much as possible, and post. And I think if I don't focus on all the little intricate details as much, it will come out a lot better. Now traditionally Vlogmas is a vlog, which is kind of like a lifestyle, day-to-day, what did I do today type of video. But I feel like the definition of Vlogmas can have a remix, or Vlogsimmer can have a remix. So I feel like you can have, as long as you post a video a day, it can be a sit down video, a how-to video, a try-on haul of clothing. It can be a cooking video or a vlog. And I feel like, listen, as long as you post the video, it don't matter. So thank you guys for tuning in. I don't know how long or short this video is going to be, but this is Vlogmas Day 1. So good luck to you guys out there. If you're watching this video, then it's a little too late. I guess it's never too late, but it's already day 1. But you can start on whatever day you want to. Again, if this is your first time tuning in, nice to meet you. And if not, welcome back, and I look forward to connecting with you on my next video. So yeah, I think that's about all I have. So I'm gonna get ready to get out of here. I actually am late for an appointment. Yeah, you'll notice a trend that I tend to procrastinate quite a bit. So, but anyway, love and light to you. Peace. I'm out. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet, no.